Hello, I am Linda and you're watching LindaNews. I have some tragic news for you. At approximately 10 p.m. Haina time, Andy Bird, the cruel leader of Pearson Education, invaded and hacked Greece. He has killed the noble Greek man Zeus, and we believe his intentions are clear to help baby Peach achieve world domination. He unveiled his new flag about 50 minutes ago. It's clear he has his helpers. He made this speech once he took control of the country.
Ha ha ha, I own Greece now. I have killed Zeus, I am immortal. Not even Linda can stop me. If you are in Greece right now, you must bow down to me and help out gracious comrade gain world domination. Hehehe. I will make you take every Pearson Edexcel test ever. Ha ha ha.
How can he do this? He also mentioned killing Zeus. Geraldine was good friends with Zeus, so she has something to say about him.
I can't believe another death has occurred in such a short period of time. I loved Zeus. He helped me greatly after the death of John Witherspoon. But now he is gone. How can that man, Andy Bird, do this? Also, those poor Greek citizens who are at his mercy now, including some who attended my birthday party in February of 2023. This is a vile act of murder, and I will not stop until I have justice. Glory to Haina and Linda.
This is absolutely tragic. As Linda, I will try to keep you informed on the situation in Greece. I hope everyone knows what true horrors that Pearson Active Learn holds. Thank you and have a lovely Tuesday.